We are on our way to Nantucket. Nantucket is a charming island located off the coast of Massachusetts. With its cobblestone streets, idyllic beaches, and picturesque architecture, Nantucket is steeped in history and a rich cultural heritage. The island's unique blend of history and natural beauty makes it a popular destination for visitors from all over the world. One of Nantucket's most enchanting neighborhoods is Sconset. This historic village boasts a unique character and charm with its rose-covered cottages, narrow streets, and stunning ocean views. Sconset is a popular destination for visitors looking to explore the island's rich history and architecture. Roz from Angel House Designs and me, Ann Clay, the Primitive Home, are starting a new YouTube channel called Destination Home: Historic Places Past and Present, and I know you're not going to want to miss it. We're going to take a look at this unique whaling town, and we're going to go right into one of the cottages and show you a completely redone cottage. But for today, I just want to take you on a little walk through the village of Sconset because it is oh so charming. From the darling lampposts to all of the homes that are covered with roses and cedar, it's just absolutely beautiful. Even during the time of year when I was here, before the leaves start to bud, can you imagine what this looks like in the summer? These old homes are spectacular. And for those of us who are primitive lovers, oh my goodness, you are going to not be able to wait to see the inside of that house.